Okay, so let's talk about tracking. This is a 36-inch grandstand. Maybe your tracking's a little off. Maybe you switched one tire, now you're uneven. Maybe you got one pump that's a little weaker than the other, so you're uneven. Guys, eventually tracking all gets off a little bit. You know, ideally you just adjust with how you use your levers, but with the grandstands, the levers aren't very long, the throw of them is very short, and so their tracking matters all the more. So let's talk about tracking on a 36 grandstand. Basically, first thing we're gonna do is do a test run and see how bad my tracking is, okay? Open up my cover here. My target, I'm gonna be aiming for that silver trailer dead ahead. Once you kind of get started, then you peg it all the way forward and you try to hold them straight and you see how you turn or veer or whatever. So once you do that and you notice one side's going particularly faster or slower, you can adjust. This controls my left side, this controls my right side. And they give you a nice little indicator here. To make this side go slower, you tighten it. To make this side go faster, you loosen it. Ideally, everyone wants to be faster, right? You want to go faster? But at a certain point, you can only go so fast. And whatever I give to my forward speed, I'm taking away from my reverse speed. So first thing I'm gonna do a test run to see where I'm at. I'll come back here, make an adjustment, and then we'll try again. Put my wrench in my back pocket. I'm gonna go drive it, wide open throttle, try to go straight. Not too bad, but we learned that our left side is going slow. You saw how I slowly veered left. My left side's going slow, so I'm gonna speed up my left side. Guys, this could happen for a number of reasons. It could be that pump's going bad. It could be that tire is smaller than this tire, or that tire is flatter than this tire. So you don't wanna just jump straight to the conclusions and start adjusting and monkeying with your tracking. Start with tire pressure, look at your tires, and then you can compensate with a little tweak, okay? So this side's going a little bit slow, so we need to tighten it. Come on in, I'm gonna show you this. There's a nice little sticker here. Maybe your sticker's missing, maybe not, but it's showing you to make it go slower, you make it go that way, clockwise, like this. That makes it go slower. And to make it go faster, you go this way, okay? And then this little bar is just holding pressure on this nut so it doesn't free spin on its own. So I just did one turn for faster. I'm gonna do 2 turns for faster, and we're gonna try that out. And then we're gonna come back and try again. Okay, so it's still too slow. 2 more fast turns, here we go. 1, 2. We're gonna try that. Getting better. Let's do 2 more, and then we can split the difference if we need to. 1, 2. One too many. Now my left side is faster than my right side, and I slowly was veering, so I'm gonna go 1 less. So I'm gonna take this one and go back to about there. Guys, tracking or adjusting is as easy as that. Stick with one side, don't try to do both. Pick which side is doing well and try to make the other side match it. There is a limit to how much forward speed you have. Sometimes one side is just naturally faster and you might have it maxed out and maybe you should slow down the fast side. Or sometimes there's a slow side and you can turn it up a little bit. But use these 2 screws here. Guys, I've seen some people try to screw with these down here. Don't mess with that. That's not for you to adjust. That's what holds this steering linkage in place, and you don't want to mess with that. It's not going to adjust your speed. If that's damaged, you need to get a whole new steering cable. This is the ideal adjustment space. Guys, I know you can do it. It's not that hard. I believe in you. Thank you for watching. There's some other awesome videos on how to work on your 36 Grandstand and things you can do to it, like adjusting your parking brake, changing your oil, all types of fun stuff. We appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. Take it easy. See ya.